here. The guy is a homeless. Hello. Hello.
What?
I'm gonna give you something. World. Where do you live?
Street.
On the street?
Yeah.
Because people think there is no like you here in the US, in America.
I don't know.
How are you?
However.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I have some money for you to give. Okay? Can you see something to the world? I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Oh.
Is it okay?
Oh, say something to
Yeah.
the world?
Yes. Can you say something to the world or to the people in America?
Well, I just don't know what's gonna happen.
Yes. So we saw you. We're just coming by here. We saw you. I just want to give you some money to buy food.
Oh, okay. Sure,
So
take it.
should you take it?
Sure.
Buy food for you, okay?
Sure.
And what can you say to the world?
I don't know what's gonna happen.
We have to make sure it's okay. You have home this coming year.
My home is right here on the street.
Ah, okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Well, we'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Thank you. Buy some food.
Sure.
All right. He's gone, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comments, and he don't know what's gonna be happening in the world.
Mistaken whenever I first got it, so
Couch. So I don't know. It might be in the car.
Go check. Yeah.
Huh?
Here.
Check in. I have a key.
Huh?
I have a key. I think it's in there. In here, sweetheart.
It's in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm using the walker.
yeah. Let me just check.
Apartment here. Big apartments. Nice apartment here.